Logically, we are social animal. So individuals' happy life or successful life entirely depend on rest of the community. So the rest of the community is source of our future, source of one individual's success or happiness. So we have to take, like farmer, take farmland more, maximum care. But that is their future. Their income, money come from that soil. So similarly, individual happy life depend on other. So that others are basis or source of our fortune. So it's taking care of them. Let's go more nature sort of way. Right? I think artificial sort of thinking, I'm independent. I never depend on them. Then exploit, cheating, lying, bully. In reality, long run, you are cutting or destroying basis of your own future. This has nothing to do with religion, I feel.